Hey guys, Catherine here. I want to do another art journal page, and today I think I want to work with chalk pastels. So I've got up my chalk pastels up here, and I think I want to draw some roses. So let's see. I'll start. Well, I'll start with the roses themselves because I always find it easier to draw the thing that I'm going to draw and then fill in around it. Well, not always. I usually. So I want to do yellow and pink roses. And for that I want them to be yellow at the base of the petals and pink at the tips, going up to like really, really light pink, like almost white. Go. I'm probably going to end up speeding this up. This is going to take me a while. But this is what I'm doing today. So join me and watch along as I draw some roses in chalk pastels. See how it works out. You know, just work it out. Well, there we go. What do you think? A couple of roses done on a page in my art journal. I think that's it for this one. I like it. I think it turned out all right. I think chalk pastels are challenging is what I think. I'm not wholly satisfied with it, but it's as close as I'm going to get to looking like what I want it to look like. So this is going to be it. If you have any suggestions on what I should do next or how to improve this, for that matter, you can go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I'm always glad to hear them. And remember to subscribe. I would really like it if you would. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!